this video, we are going to show you how to complete the following steps to configure your Mentor Tech's LMI system. If the system is turned off, all adjustments will remain stored for 2 hours. When turning the system on again, these adjustments can be acknowledged by pressing the OK button, provided that the crane configuration has not been modified. Only when operating the man-bask configuration will the system default to the previous selected man-bask operating screen. This eliminates the need for the operator to acknowledge the configuration from the cab. During the programming procedure, the load moment pre-warning light, the load moment limit light, and the anti-two-block alarm light will light up and the crane functions will be interrupted. To change the operating mode, use the arrow buttons to scroll between the possible operating configurations of your machine. When you have found the operating mode that corresponds with the current machine configuration, press OK. This will bring you to the outrigger selection screen. If outriggers are properly positioned, press OK. This will automatically bring you to the crane level screen. If the crane is not level, then level the crane to the manufacturer specification. Once the crane is level, press OK. Once the crane is level, if you have a second hoist option, the hoist selection screen will appear. Use the arrow buttons to toggle between the auxiliary and main hoist. When you have selected the hoist that corresponds with the current machine configuration, press OK. This will automatically bring you to the reeving parts of line selection screen. Use the arrow buttons to adjust the number of parts of line until it matches the machine. When you've selected the correct reeving, press OK. Your LMI is now configured for operation. The Mentor Tech has multiple language selection available. From the operating screen, press the up arrow button to make your language selection. Once the desired language is on the screen, press OK to make your selection. If you need to make changes to your operating mode, select the Operation Mode button to manually restart the operating mode selection.